My name's Jess Higgs. I joined JCB from Loughborough University, where I studied my Masters in Design with Engineering Materials. I did an undergraduate placement 3 years ago now. I did 3 placements. The first one, I worked as a design engineer at Heavy Products. So most of that was CAD work, and I went out and saw the machines, got used to working around such big machines. My second placement was in structures research. So that was looking at building rigs and looking at the actual machine, so that was quite a hands-on placement. And my third and final placement was in tech and sales in a relatively new business unit, which was JCB Power Products. I wanted to work more with people when I came back, which is why I came back into JCB Global Learning, which looks at the training for the whole company. So it's quite an exciting opportunity to be able to work there, and you get a broad view of the company. From there, I'm going to look at going back into a more technical role, probably still working with people, so potentially sales or looking at structures research again, because I really enjoyed it there. But JCB is a company that you can really move around in a lot, so I knew I wanted to come back to the company, but I just wasn't sure where. I've also led a project around women in engineering. The Women in Engineering events are to allow the women across the company to network, and also perhaps to come up with more ideas on how to encourage younger girls into engineering, as it is a problem across the industry. I think I do fit my personality and values in JCB. I can see where I can fit in, and I like that it's a company that if there's something you want to do, you can go ahead and do it. And I like that it's a company where things can always be done better. Everyone always wants to do things better and find a new way of doing things. I'm proud to work for JCB because it's a really big name and a really big company, and I know that if you want to work for JCB, you'll find where you love, and you'll find your career path, and there's so many opportunities here and so many things to do that you'll always find something that you love.